I love being an orthopedic surgeon because I can help people improve their lives. My name is Ashish Raval. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Stoughton Hospital and the Ortho Team Clinic. I grew up with my grandfather as a physician and a role model, so I knew from a young age, watching him and seeing him help people, that I wanted to do the exact same thing. My specialty is sports medicine, focusing specifically on the care of the shoulder, hip, and knee. The shoulder is interesting to me because it is a very complex joint and can be very difficult to diagnose. However, over the years, I've been able to help patients find solutions when they weren't able to find them before. It's extremely important for me to have a good relationship with my patients. It's important to know exactly what their goals and desires are, so that way I can help create a plan that's unique and individual for them to get better. So the goal for me is always to see patients who want to get back to their active lifestyle. So that can be from young children all the way to people who are elderly, who want to get back to living their normal life and do all the activities that they enjoy. I take care of a lot of young people, and being a father, I'm very sensitive to the fact that we always want to take the best care of our children. So it's really important for me when I'm dealing with young athletes that we do what's in their best interests and be a good advocate for their long-term health and well-being. As an orthopedic surgeon, what I really love about Stoughton Hospital is that they share the same passion as I do in terms of using the most up-to-date technology to really get the best outcomes for our patients. The techniques that I use now allow patients to return back to their activities, including sports, faster than ever before. Patients can expect wonderful care at Stoughton Hospital. The staff is warm and caring, and the experience is fantastic from the moment they set foot in the hospital to the time they leave.